everyone, welcome back to Kameru, a channel where we'll explore art. So without wasting any moment, let's get started. Today we'll do something different and yet interesting. Pot painting. Yes guys, today we'll paint a pot using only 3 colors. The process is super duper easy. First I'll apply gesso, which will make the surface smooth. You can replace it with white acrylic paint as well. I personally love simple and minimalist design, so I'll even paint the pot in a simple yet cute way, starting with a mixture of blue and little bit of black. Furthermore, I'll keep adding white to make the shade lighter and more lighter. Play with the colors friends, play with the colors. And voila! Halfway done. So cute. I still feel this a little boring. So now I'm adding few designs to it. Super easy and simple designs. I'm loving it. Just follow the process. No super art skills needed. Simple and basic patterns. I'll use the same patterns and fill the middle line with it using dark blue color. Wow, there it is. Our pot is ready. How did you feel it? Comment करके ज़रूर बताना. Hey, wait, कहाँ जा रहे हो? Main work is yet to be done. Earth Day is coming, celebrated on 22nd April to protect the planet from pollution and deforestation. So let's plant a cute little sapling and make the place where we live happier and healthier. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Like and subscribe and share it with at least one of your friends.